Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 9 Traders, Kings and Pilgrims. This is a chapter of Class 6 subject SST History. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, SST History All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी SST हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक जरूर देखें और बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं। अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करें। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट कर जरूर बताएं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। Question number 1. Why did kings want to control the Silk Route? Answer of this question is, the reasons as to why kings wanted to control the Silk Route were: first, to collect taxes from the traders which using the route for traveling. Second, to receive gifts. Third, and also traders used to give tributes to the kings. Question number 2. What were the main features of bhakti? Write in detail. Answer of this question is, the main features of bhakti are: first, a loving relationship between a devotee and his personal goal. Second, bhakti emphasized devotion and individual worship of a god or goddess rather than performance of elaborate sacrifices. Third, discarding of any discrimination based on gender, caste, or creed. Question number 3. Write a short note on the trade of South India with the rest of the world. Answer of this question is, first, South India was famous for gold, spices, especially pepper and precious stones. Second, pepper was particularly valued in the Roman Empire, so much so that it was known as black gold. Third, so traders carried many of these goods to Rome in ships across the sea and by land in caravans. Fourth, there must have been quite a lot of trade, as many Roman gold coins have been found in South India. Question number 4. How did the traders reach India? Answer of this question is, first, traders explored several sea routes. Second, there were others across the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal, where sailors took advantage of the monsoon winds to cross the seas more quickly. they wanted to reach the western coast of the subcontinent from East Africa or Arabia. They chose to sail with the southwest monsoon. 4. Traders carried many goods in ships across the sea and by land in caravans. Question number 5. Write a short note on the emergence of the new kingdoms along the coasts. Answer of this question is: first, Sangam poems mention the Movendar. This Tamil word means three chiefs, the Cholas, Cheras and Pandyas, who became powerful in the South India around 2300 years ago. Second, each of the three chiefs had two centers of power, one inland and one on the coast. Third, the chiefs did not collect regular taxes. Instead, they demanded and received gifts from the people. Fourth, they also went on military expeditions and collected tribute from neighboring areas. Fifth, they kept some of the wealth and distributed the rest amongst their supporters, including members of their family, soldiers and poets. Question number 6. How the chiefs utilized the taxes which they received from the different sources. Answer of this question is: first, the chiefs didn't collect regular taxes. Instead, they demanded and received gifts from the people. Second, they also went on military expeditions and collected tribute from neighboring areas. Third, they kept some of the wealth and distributed the rest amongst their supporters, including members of their family, soldiers and poets. Question number 7. Write in detail about the Satavahanas. Answer of this question is: first, around 200 years later, a dynasty known as the Satavahanas became powerful in the western India. Second, the most important ruler of the Satavahanas was Gautamiputra Shri Satakarni. Third, we know about him from an inscription composed on behalf of his mother Gautami Balashri. Fourth, he and other Satavahan rulers were known as the Lords of the Dakshin Path, literally the route leading to the south. Fifth, he sent his army to the eastern, western and southern coasts. Question number 8. How the trade would happen along the silk routes. Write a short note on it. Answer of this question is: first, China, who went to distant lands on foot, horseback and on camels, carried silk with them. Second, the paths they followed came to be known as the Silk Route. Third, sometimes Chinese rulers sent gifts of silk to the rulers in Iran and West Asia. And from there, the knowledge of silk spread further west. Fourth, about 2000 years ago, wearing silk became the fashion amongst rulers and rich people in Rome. Fifth, it was very expensive as it had to be brought all the way from China along dangerous roads through mountains and deserts. People living along the route often demanded payments for allowing traders to pass through. Question number 9. How the Kushanas traded and controlled the Silk Route. Write in detail. Answer of this question is: first, the best known of the rulers who controlled the Silk Route were the Kushanas, who ruled over Central Asia and Northwest India around 2000 years ago. Second, their two major centers of power were Peshawar and Mathura. Takshila was also included in their kingdom. Third, during their rule, a branch of the Silk Route extended from Central Asia down to the seaports at the mouth of the river Indus, from where silk was shipped westwards to the Roman Empire. Fourth, the Kushanas were amongst the earliest rulers of the subcontinent to issue gold coins. Fifth, these were used by traders along the Silk Route. Question number 10. How the Kushanas, especially the Kanishk, helped in promoting the Buddhism, or how the Buddhism spread in the other parts of the India and the world under the Kushanas. Answer of this question is: first, Kanishk was the most reputed Kushana ruler. Second, during his reign, Buddhism spread to a great extent. Third, he organized a Buddhist council where scholars used to gather to discuss major issues. Fourth, Ashwaghosh was a renowned poet. In his court, he wrote the biography of the Buddha, the Buddha Charitra. Fifth, Buddhism also spread southeastwards to Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, and other parts of the Southeast Asia, including Indonesia. Question number 11. How the Mayan Buddhism evolved different from the earlier form of Buddhism? Answer of this question is: first, Mayan Buddhism emerged as a new form. This had two special features. First, earlier Buddha's presence was shown in the sculpture by using certain signs. Third, now statues of Buddha were made. Fourth, Mathura and Takshila became prominent places where several statues of Buddha were made. Fifth, the second distinct feature was a belief in Bodhisattva, who were sacred people and had attained enlightenment. Sixth, the worship of Bodhisattva gained popularity in Central Asia, China, and later to Korea and Japan. Question number 12. Who were Pilgrims? Write a short note on the Zhuangzang account of Nalanda. Answer of this question is: first, pilgrims are men and women who undertake journeys to holy places in order to offer worship. Second, Zhuangzang and other pilgrims spent time studying in Nalanda, Bihar, the most famous Buddhist monastery of the period. Third, it describes it, the teacher are men of the highest ability and talent. Fourth, they follow the teachings of the Buddha in all sincerity. Fifth, the rules of the monastery are strict and everyone has to follow them. Sixth, discussions are held throughout the day and the old and the young mutually help one another. Seventh, the gatekeeper asks new entrants difficult questions. They are allowed to enter only after they have been able to answer these. Question number 13. Write a short note on the origin of the word Hindu. Answer of this question is: first, the word Hindu, like the term India, is derived from the river Indus. Second, it was used by Arabs and Iranians to refer to people who lived to the east of the river and to their cultural practices, including religious beliefs. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी एसएसटी हिस्ट्री ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए, आप हमें कमेंट कर बता सकते हैं। हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।